All right, I'm telling just about anyone who will listen about Datopolis, this incredible new facilitation tool that I've discovered. Datopolis has just arrived. These are my 4 versions of the game. It's 1 part board game, 1 part team building activity, 1 part business simulation, and essentially it was designed in the Open Data Institute under the guidance of Sir Tim Berners-Lee to help people across organizations, across sectors, but specifically in businesses, to understand how to make smarter decisions using data. Data is a word that we all use every day. Data is something we hear about all the time. The truth is, though, unfortunately, that data can mean very different things to different people at different times. Part of the function of this incredible tool is getting us on the same page about what data means and helping us make smarter decisions about data in our organizations. The objective of the game, all right, in the game, you're in a make-believe place called Sheridan. You're an entrepreneur, you're set up in teams, and you and your entrepreneur friend are tasked with building tools that will improve the land of Sheridan, the town of Sheridan, and build the economy. Those tools will be digital in nature, applications, websites, infrastructure, whatever it might be. And you do that by denoting ownership of tools by placing these little colorful user markers in a very specific pattern and combining them with data tiles, which can be open, which can be closed, which can be private, just like they can be in the real world. And they're contained, of course, within a database to create these awesome tools. And as you do so, the economy of Sheridan grows. In the second phase of the game, though, and this is the interesting part, we introduce impact into the equation. You are tasked with denoting what impact the tools that you build has on the environment around you, on the other businesses around you, on entrepreneurs, on society. You look at it through the lens of politics. I'm not making it sound as interesting as it really is, but it's a fascinating tool for generating the right kinds of questions that we should be asking around data and its impact in our world. So it's a really simple game to learn. It takes about 20 minutes to get everybody on board and busy. The first round of the game generally takes about a half an hour. And from there, you can kind of extend the gameplay as much as you want. I like to couple the gameplay of Datopolis with really interesting, informative, and insightful information about what's happening in the world of data. I like to fold that into a conversation around AI because it's almost impossible to talk about the one without talking about the other today. And yeah, I'd really love an opportunity to spend some time with your teams, with individuals in your organization, raising better questions about data, about how we use it, about the impact that it has on us, on our business units, on the products that we design and build and sell, and ultimately how we can use data to make smarter decisions in our businesses from day to day. Until then,